Hey, bro, you heard the news?
Huh?
This Corona stuff really like bodying stuff out here, man. Like, be careful, like really.
So you telling me I'm finna die?
No, bruh. Why would it's a Chinese virus, bruh.
Oh no!
It come from Chinese food.
Lord.
Like, that's how it started. Everybody know that.
So
Come on.
So I can't have ramen no more?
Ramen,
Like it's poison? Ramen is poison now?
bruh.
No! No!
It's a respiratory disease. You idiot.
Oh.
You can only get it
yeah?
if
That's
somebody
what
else
you
cough
talking
on you,
about?
breathe
That's
on
it?
you, or
That's
it's in the air.
Oh,
It's in the air,
ain't
bruh.
nothing. It ain't nothing, bro.
What's that?
Bro, it's a gas mask.
Really?
Yes.
Huh.
Yes.
Can I have one?
No.
Okay. All right.
No.
All right. Yeah, I see. All right. That's just wrong, bruh. That's just wrong.
But that's my best friend, though.
I thought I was your best friend.
I'm still not wearing condoms.